Hello again, and welcome to Attax pack opening number 7. But today I only have one pack. Oh, right. Wait a minute. Limited edition cards, 1 in 50 packs. This is the 50th pack. Come on. Even though it's like number 7 or whatever, but I don't even care. Oh, that's cool. Didier Drogba. Or Drogba, as you guys know. Jarvis. Yes, I know Jarvis. Another Aaron Lennon. Wanyama again. Malumbu. Yeah. Tim Howard. De Jong. Debuchy. Luke Shaw. And Danny Ings. And Maroon. He's coming. Oh no, that's Marvin. Oh my god. Marvin. Oh my god. He is Marvin. But he's not Morgan. He's only Soldell. Marvin Morgan, come on. Well, that was cool. Very, very quick video. Oh. I wish I could do more, but I just can't do it right now. But there is a special coming up soon, so please stay tuned for number 11. Well, actually, it's actually like 10.5, but you know, same thing, same thing. So this has been your boy, Captain Quirky, and I'm out. Peace.